PHP array. An array stores multiple values in one single variable. So we have a list of items like list of car names, list of birds, list of animals. See, for example, so storing those names in a single variable will look like this. So dollar cars 1 equal to Volvo, cars 2 equal to BMW, and cars 3 equal to Toyota, etc., etc. So whatever the list of cars will be given like this. And if you had not 3 cars, we have 300 cars, then what we can do? It is very difficult to declare like this. So the solution is to create an array to overcome this issue. Now, so we look at how to create an array in PHP. So array, then open, close brace, then semicolon. So in PHP, the array function is used to create an array. Look at the PHP script. $cars equal to array of Volvo, BMW, Toyota. So in an array, you can use any multiple number of list of names inside in it instead of declaring each and every one. So echo I like dot $cars of 0, then $cars of 1, and $cars of 2. So what they have given here is the value, that is the index value. So 0, the index value 0 will be the first position, that is Volvo, and the index value 1, there will be the BMW, and index value 2 will be Toyota. So always the array index starts with the position 0. So 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. up to n. So here, since there are 3 cars, so the array position starts with 0, 1, and ends with 2. This is how to create an array. There are types of arrays: indexed arrays, array with a numeric index; associative arrays, arrays with named keys; and multidimensional arrays, arrays containing one or more arrays. First, we'll see PHP indexed arrays. The index can be assigned automatically since the array index starts always with 0. We already saw this. And $cars equal to array of Volvo, BMW, and Toyota. So $car of 0 equal to Volvo, 1 equal to BMW, and 2 equal to Toyota. This array index will be assigned manually here, and in the array, this will be assigned automatically. So PHP associative arrays. And associative arrays are arrays that use named keys that you assign to them. So there are 2 ways to create the associative array. $age is equal to array of Peter is 35 and Ben is 37 and Joe is 43. Or $age of Peter equal to 35, age of Ben is 37 and Joe is 43. Like in this 2 way, we can use this associative arrays. If you look at the PHP script given on the right hand side, $age is equal to array of Peter equal to 35, Ben equal to 37, and Joe tends to 43. Echo Peter is $age, then dot years old. So this is how we can use the PHP associative arrays. The age associated with the names. Then it comes to multidimensional arrays. The multidimensional array is an array containing one or more arrays. So the dimension of an array indicates the number of indices you need to select an element. And for a 2-dimensional array, you need 2 indices to select an element. For a 3-dimensional array, you need 3 indices to select an element. So look at the following table where name, stock, and sold is given. So the script will be like, see, look at the script, it is given on the right hand side as echo $cars of 00, that is in stock .cars 01 .sold .cars 02. So likewise, you have to give all the array positions which contains all the 4 arrays. So it has 2 indices, rows and columns. So this is what it looked like this. Handling array with loop. So can get the length of an array using count function. So count, open, close brace, open, close bracket. Then $cars is equal to array of Volvo, BMW, Toyota. $array length is equal to count of $cars. So here the count will be 3. Then loop through an indexed array. Look at this example, PHP script, where cars equal to array of Volvo, BMW, and Toyota. Then array length is equal to count of $cars. So there is a for loop, x equal to 0 and x less than $array length and x plus plus, where we are printing the $cars and the lengths. Then using for each loop, where they have the PHP script here, $cars equal to red, green, blue, yellow. For each colors as value. So this is what an example of for each loop. Yes, comes to the functions. A function is nothing but a block of statements that can be used repeatedly in a program. It will not execute immediately when a page loads, but a function will be executed by a call to the function. And PHP has more than 1000 built-in functions. We'll see one by one. Here is the syntax of how to define the function. Function, then function name. This is called a user-defined function. The function name can start with a letter or underscore, not a number. See, for example, function, then write message. So function is a keyword and followed by the write message is the name of the function. So we can call the function using the below code like write msg open close bracket then semicolon. So this is what they call to function. Functions with arguments. Function family name. Here the family name is the function and family name Hij the 1975, Stale 1978, Kjim 1983. So Hij born in 1975 and Stale born in 1978 and Kjim born in 1983. This is what called functions with arguments. Then PHP default argument value. Function set height. Set height is a function and the minimum height is equal to 50 was assigned here and set height of 350. So 350 will be goes to the function and set height calling the function with default value of 50. Then set height of 135 passing 135 to the function. Set height of 80 passing 80 to the function. So everything is possible. This is what called default argument value. The PHP functions returning values. So function sum. Here sum is the function $x comma y is declared. Then z is equal to x plus y. Return z. Simple function. So echo 5 plus 10. Then sum of 5 comma 10. Then 7 plus 13. Sum of 7 comma 13. 2 plus 4. Sum of 2 comma 4. So that will be printed as 5 plus 10 15. 7 plus 13 20. 2 plus 4 6. Then array difference association. The syntax for this will be array underscore diff underscore assoc of array 1, 2, 3, etc. So this function compares the keys and values of 2 or more arrays and returns the differences among them. This function compares the keys and values of 2 or more arrays. So the return value returns an array containing the entries from array 1 that are not present in any of the other arrays. That is what called the difference value from one array to other arrays. There is example code given. A is equal to red, B is equal to green, C equal to blue, D is equal to yellow in first array, that is array A1. In the second array A2, we have A red, F equal to green and G equal to blue. And in the third array A3, H equal to red, B equal to green and G equal to blue. Here we are using the array difference association and we are finding out the result where array of C blue and D is yellow will be the differences between these arrays A1, A2 and A3. So this was the output from this code. Array slice, the slice function. So here the slice function syntax was given array underscore slice of array comma start comma length comma preserve. So what is array? Array required, we can specify an array and start then with the numerical value. Length is optional, also a numerical value. Preserve also optional. It specifies if the function should preserve or reset the keys. So possible values are true or false. That is an example. See, $A is equal to array of red, green, blue, yellow, brown. And $B is equal to array slice of $A comma 2 comma 2 comma false. So array of 0th position is equal to blue and 1 equal to yellow. That will be printed with print underscore r of $B. So we are doing array slice operation here and this will be the output. Then implode. The implode function is used to join the elements of an array with a string and this function returns the string from elements of an array and takes an array of strings and join them together into one string. So $array is equal to array of A, E, I, O, U. To combine it into a string, we have to use the separator. So $str is equal to implode of the separator, comma, hyphen, comma, dollar array. So A hyphen E hyphen I hyphen O hyphen U, which will be printed. Now comes to the explode function, and the explode function breaks a string into an array. So the syntax will be explode of separator, comma, string, comma, limit, where the parameter separator which is required and specifies where to break the string, and the parameter string is also required the string to split, and the parameter limit which is an optional one and which specifies the number of array elements to return. So the possible values will be greater than 0, that is returns an array with a maximum of limit elements, less than 0 returns an array except for the last limit elements, and 0 returns an array with one element. So this is what the explode function.